Who needs a bridge when you have a Gaz 66? Watching it forge through the river like it owns the place is both thrilling and awe-inspiring. The 260 turbo whistle's great. You can't confuse it with anyone else. What a mix of foolishness and destruction. Watching that excavator descend the steep slope is enough to make anyone's heart race. The wheel loader is a lifesaver, helping to unload cargo so the truck doesn't risk cylinder failure from overload. Optimal, avoid dust emissions into the air. That reach stacker is a beast, easily lifting 45 tons. The Universal 445 tractor, boasting a solid 45 horsepower engine, is truly unstoppable. This truck driver is fearless. Even with the front end soaring high, they're pressing on. What a bold move on the road. Maz is a good car. It's a good thing no one was in the wrong place at the wrong time. What a close call. Always an expert when they're not doing shit.
What was that? Double question. What was that? Why you do this? Boy, I tell you what. I don't know what that was. I gotta give it to Stump. Yeah, they definitely know better than that.
The IMT 577 tractor is really showing its strength on that treacherous, muddy, snowy path. It's a pity. All his work is down the drain. That wood truck's greed is evident, but thankfully the driver knows how to manage the heavy load. Oh my God, perfect! The struggle is real as the tractor pushes up that steep, wood-laden slope. The IMT 539 is a top contender in the IMT series, delivering incredible power and versatility. Don't be fooled. Operating a reach stacker is tough.
إنزال المعدة إلى الأرض. الآن قد مضى على رفعة 45 دقيقة والحمد لله بدون أي نزول. الآن يتم التشغيل.
With the Toyota Hilux and Land Rover Defender in a tug of war, it's a clash of the off-road giants. The Euro 4320 is a true beast on the trails. Its power makes conquering obstacles look effortless. Snow or no snow, the Universal 445 is ready for action. All right, we're here. Their tests are terrible. Incredible tug of war. The IMT 533 and Universal 445 are battling it out. Tractor versus tractor. Not only is this car a beast, but the driver is super, and a lot depends on the driver. If the wheels have turned on the sand at least once, then you don't have to skid any further. Who knew that an old BM Volvo 350 Boxer could be so effective? You don't expect to see something like that out in the wild. That cold start in the snow, I wasn't sure the John Deere 4840 was going to make it, but man, it roared to life like a beast. In the heart of Siberia, this log truck dives headfirst into a mud bath and comes out on top. It's like watching a nature documentary, only this time, the truck is the star. Well, at least they fell on the grass, not the road. A trainee is driving. Whoa, talk about a nightmare scenario. This machine may be vintage, but its strength in the snow is just unmatched. Very smooth. Looks just great. Real all-terrain unit. 5 stars. The skill involved in getting that Hitachi onto the lorry was next level. Smooth, controlled, and done like it was nothing. MTZ'd 82 with such tracks is like a tank. The tractor's strength is out of this world. The tracked vehicle at GDSF is an absolute beast.